Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video we are going to talk about Nintendo Switch 2 error code 2813 to 2450. The error reads, "An error has occurred. Please try again later. If the problem persists, please restart Nintendo eShop and try again. If restarting does not fix the problem, please refer to the Nintendo support website." This error comes when users attempt to make a purchase from the eShop, but the transaction fails and the error appears. According to the research, this error is likely caused by connectivity issues with the eShop or a temporary problem with Nintendo's services. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the internet. Once done, try again and check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try logging in via a browser and purchase the games directly from the eShop website. At last, if you still get the error, then go to nintendo.co.jp/net_us/index.html and see if Nintendo services are down. If they are, wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.